So how to increase and decrease the speed of your cursor? To do that, you want to search mouse setting. No matter which windows you are using, you just have to search mouse setting, and once you do that, you'll see many options in your setting. The one so the firstly you can decrease or increase the speed from here, which says mouse pointer speed. You can increase from here by um, tapping on this toggle, or decrease, right? And after that, if you don't see this option, then you want to look for this option which says additional mouse setting, and then you want to go in this I mean on this you want to click on this button, and then you will again see the speed, slow and fast option toggle, which you want to decrease or increase. And after doing that, according to your preference, you wanna click on the OK button. Your mouse cursor speed will be adjusted from here. Thank you.